Hey, this is Carl here with another episode of Carl's Redneck Repairs. I am going to be doing a how-to today. We're going to be doing how to sharpen your drill bits. People do them by hand on the bench grinder, or on an angle grinder, or they use a drill doctor, or people use the jig I got. I like using the jig I got. Lots of videos I watch about people using those drill doctors. They have a real hard time using them. And I'm going to be showing you what put my phone down quick here. I'm going to be showing you what I use, the jig I use. You can buy them on eBay. I don't remember the price of them on eBay, but the one I got here I got from a garage sale in the summertime. We're middle of winter right now, so about 6 months ago. Took me maybe 5 minutes to learn how to use it properly and get my drill bits as sharp as they can get. So we're going to take you along and I'm going to show you how to use it. So we'll spin you around here, face you down at the bench grinder. So this is the jig I use. We set it up to, I don't even think the camera can read that, 59 degrees is the angle we're going to put it at. Then you've got here, you got your little tooth that the flute of the drill bit sits into. And this is a clamp that clamps the drill bit down. This can go right down to the smallest drill bit. And then way up. I don't remember the full size of drill bit it could take, but that opening there, I would say is 3/4 of an inch. Drill bit would probably fit in there. And then you adjust here's your adjuster of how far your drill bit's sticking out and then how much you repair. Then you lock the back one, and then when you flip it over to do the next side, you pull this down, and then we can do links too. And then you pull that down, and this set is so both sides are the exact same depth. As you can see on this bit, I'll get my hand behind it. This bit is fucked. There's a big chip there out. And I keep these, like, look how short that is now. I'll sharpen them until they're done for. So we're gonna give this one a sharpen. We're gonna go from there. We'll give you guys a quick pause so I can get everything ready. So we're all set up here in the jig. I had to change drill bits. It's not the one I was hoping to use, because the one I had set up, I guess, is right hand or left hand. It's a reversed drill bit. So I got one chalked up in there. I don't know if you can see that. We can bring some light this way, but light's not set up the greatest. But we've got the little stopper in the flute. And we got her locked down. Got this. Oh, we gotta get this pushed up against that. As tight as. Oh, I'm doing this wrong again. Oh, we're gonna have to pull this all the way back until it's in this V here. We'll go probably right about there, since it's a bit shorter of a drill bit. Go up till we hit there. Tighten her up a bit. Bring our lock close to, not all the way tight, just close to there. And we'll set it down in the bench, on the bench grinder. number one rule, safety glasses. So, put the safety glasses on. So you can see, safety glasses on all times when you're using bench grinder, especially when you're doing it this way, because they say no grinding on the side of the wheel, which I don't really care. I'm not doing excessive grinding on the side of my wheel. I'm just doing drill bits, and I don't do them that very often. So we'll start with the bench grinder and we'll do one side. Anymore. Again. Shut her down because you can see it was barely making noise anymore. And if you look at that now, you can see how shiny that is. Just nice and shiny versus the other side. And you can see it gives it the relief angle, a nice relief angle. So all you do to switch to the other side is loosen this, take your drill bit out, spin it around till that little tooth catches it. Oh, tighten her back down, and then we put her back in the bench grinder until it stops grinding. Like how the last one I was able to pass without it grinding on it anymore. So safety glasses back down, bench grinder back on. As you can see there, we stopped when it stopped grinding, and you got to go slow between passes like that because you don't really want to overheat the drill bit. So safety glasses can go off for now, and as you can see, we've got a nice, come on, focus. Nice grind on there, sharp tooth, nice relief angle, another nice relief angle. So now I'm going to move the tripod over, I'm going to point at the drill press. We'll chalk this up in the drill press. And I'm not doing a pilot hole. I'm not doing a center punch. I'm going to show you exactly how this drill bit works. We'll come here. We're going to grab, let's flip the screen so I can see. We're going to grab about a 1/4 inch piece of flat bar here. That's just my tester. So you see it's got a bunch of holes on it. I use this piece to check tap sizes and all that, and so we'll put a little oil there, keep the bit cool. Fire up, almost forgot again, safety glasses. Always want your safety glasses. So we'll kick the drill press on. My drill press is doing it again. My lock for my table isn't really locking, and it's really starting to piss me off. I'm gonna grab a wrench here. It's really stuff on my floor. It's really starting to piss me off. Just make sure, and my chuck is loosening up pretty good. It's really pissing me off. So safety glasses back down. Already through. We'll do two holes. Just like butter. And that is how. Nice clean holes, not really any burrs on the other side. So that is how I sharpen my drill bits. So there's another episode of Carl's Redneck Repairs, how to sharpen drill bits. So stay tuned, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Carl's Redneck Repairs, out.